when we look at the word church, we have to recognize that there's two different terminologies. One is the actual building, the Kyriakon. That's the physical building. Now, is that physical building dying? Possibly. I will even venture to say that there are not many people who are opening up brand new churches, going to the real estate market, developers, and actually then putting down some funds and then requiring that the people help pay for the building fund. And I think that's a good thing. Yeah, I know that might be controversial, but it was a church on every single corner. Why are we building so much? Why are we giving so much to others? Just because we want to worship in our own building? Is it because of our pride that we're trying to say, I am building something? No, we are the body of Christ, brothers and sisters together. So why can't we worship together? Why can't we be together on Sunday? Why can't we not pool our resources so that we can be more effective for the kingdom and put it into the programming as opposed to into the building?